90s Fashion Class 2023 episode 3 for beginners. Today I am going to show how to make a hem. How to make a hem. That's what we are going to learn. So these are the hems here. This is also another hem. This is also a hem. And another one. How do we make it? This is what I'm going to show you. Now, what is a hem in sewing? The hem is the very bottom folded edge of a piece of clothing. So this is a piece of clothing. I'm sewing a skirt, a dress, and after sewing I folded the edge. Yes, so the folded edge here is what we call a hem. It's always at the end. So where can we find hems? We can find hems all over our clothing. We can find them on our dresses like this one. This is a dress. Yes, that I've just sewn. That is the upper part. And this is the down. So where is our hem? This is our hem. Good. So hems are on dresses. They are on shirts. This is a shirt. I am sewing. I'm almost done. Yeah. So where is this hem? This is the hem over here. Now hems can also be found on sleeves. So on this sleeves, you can see the hem here. Good. Where can we also find it? We can find it on skirts, no broad skirts. Then on your t-shirt, you can find hems at the edge. Look at this one. This is a t-shirt, the upper part. So the hem is here. That's the hem. Then the sleeve also, at the edge of the sleeve, that's the hem. So today this is what we are going to learn about. Thank you. Let's get started. Good. So I've already explained what a hem is. Now a hem on a piece of clothing is an edge that is folded over. So you can see the edge of this piece of fabric. This is a hem and it has been folded over. I have not stitched this one, but I've stitched this one using the stacking that we learned the other time. Okay, so why do we hem? We hem to prevent threads from coming loose. When you don't hem, let's look at this one. Have you seen it fraying? So to prevent the fray or to lose, you have to turn a hem. So as I've turned this one, nothing can lose, nothing can fray. So this is the main reason why we hem dresses. Look at this finished edge of the dress. Yes, I've hemmed it. If I've not hemmed it, then the dress will be losing. And it wouldn't be nice. So that is it. There is something I want to also say. Someone might ask that, can you hem without a sewing machine? Yes, you can, because this is exactly what I've done here. After the hem, I've used my hand to do the tacking. Yes, so someone will also ask that, how many types of hems do we have? I'll talk about two for the beginners. The two types of hems are, this is a single fold. the single fold hem. So like this one that this is the lining. Yes, there is no hem here, but when I fold it on, then it becomes a single hem. So this is the single fold hem. It is not double. But when we come here, the other type of hem, you see this is the first hem here. Then I fold it over again and it has become double. So for now, we will say we have two types of hem. One, the single fold hem, and then two, the double fold hem. So as you can see, I have the double fold hem here on this shirt. It's not a single fold, it's a double hem. But on this, I have the single fold hem. Now the single fold hem is made by one time folding. Just you turn it one time folding the fabric, and then you have it iron. So that is the single fold hem. Now the double fold hem, this is what is widely used, the most widely used hem in all types of dresses. So it encloses the fabric raw edge. So when you see it, this is the raw edge, this is the first hem, and this is the second hem. So it is double. So those are the two types of hem. Good. And another question someone will ask, yes, can you hem your own clothes? Yes, of course you can, using your hands. And with patience, it is nothing so complicated. Using patience, if you have patience, you need to have patience. Then you need a measuring tool. So what is our measuring tool? Our measuring tool is the tape measure, the measuring tape. You need an iron, and then you need your fabric. So with these, you can tailor your own clothes from the comfort of your home. Isn't this so exciting that you don't need to run to a tailor or a dressmaker that, oh, please, can you do this for me? Yes, you can do it at the comfort of your home. It's so exciting. So now we'll get started how to hem. All right. So I have my fabric here. So what we are going to do is we are going to iron it. So this is our fabric. So your fabric, you make sure you iron it. So I've ironed it. With my cutter, I'll cut the edge so that it's free. It's free. Because you are a beginner, you can use this for it. Hope you have finished my assignment. Wow. So now we are going to fold the hem. So with the hem, the edge in front of us, so this is the edge in front of us. We are going to fold the edge 0.5. Look at it, 0.5. If you are using inches, then it's half it. So with this, I'm going to use our iron again. Why would we iron? We want to flatten it. So this is our 0.5. As a beginner, you make sure you do what? You continue measuring to the end of your fabric. So this is our half an inch or 0.5. Then you iron. We are doing double fold hem. So this is the first hem. You iron to flatten it. Good. Then starting from the edge, so we have got another edge here. We are going to create a second fold. And that second fold, we are going to ensure that it's 1.5 centimeters. You can make it 1, you can make it 2, depending on the length of the dress or skirt or anything you are making. So this is my 1.5. I'm going to iron again in order to flatten it. So you can see that the raw edges of the first fold is hidden under the second fold. That's what I want you to get right. Okay. You continue measuring. Voila. So this is our double fold hem. So what do we now do? With my pin cushion, I have my pins here. I'm going to pin the hem using multiple pins. So if I'm using a sewing machine, this is how I'm gonna pin it. Yeah. So you insert the pins so that the end of, have you seen the pearl? The end with the pearl sticks out of the hem while you want to sew. If you are using a sewing machine, this is how you pin it. But we are not using, as beginners, we've not started with the sewing machine. So therefore, you can pin it this way at the top. Yeah. If you are using a sewing machine, this you can just sew it. But because of the hand, you are using hand, you are going to pin it this way. Right? Hope you got it. Now this will make it easier to remove as you sew. Yes. So now we are going to begin sewing. Sorry, I've stained my fabric because I wanted you to see more clearer what I'm using for you to see it clearer. I stained my fabric, but please don't stain yours. So please do not stain yours. Right. So what you are going to do next is I'm going to thread a needle. And then sew by hand. You remember the last time we learned tacking. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to insert our needle through it again. set it. We continue till we finish everything. Hope you are seeing it. So after watching, please do the same thing for me and DM me on my WhatsApp so that I can see what you've done. If there's any need for correction, then I'll do just that. Remember, it's a temporary stitch I've done here, but this is just to show you the hem. Please, when you are sewing, do not pull so hard so that the whole thing becomes bumpy. But make sure it is straightened. After that, remove your pins. And voila, our double fold hem is done. Like I've told you, this is widely used in most fabrics, the double folded hem. So we'll be using most of our dresses. So please try and do these samples as much as possible. Like when you are sleeping, they wake you up. You can do it easily. So Lovelies, today we've learned a whole lot how to hem. I've told you there are two types of hems, the single fold hem and the double fold hem. So this is the double fold hem. The first, the single fold hem is inside, just like I've shown you with this, the shirt. Yeah, this is the double fold hem. This is also the double fold hem. And this is the single hem. Yeah. Good. Any questions? Please leave your questions in the comment section below. Like and share the videos. And also, if you are new here, you are welcome. Please do subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, kudos for choosing our channel and always returning. Where we've come the end of the video, so I'm going to see you in our next video for beginners, episode 4. Until then, stay healthy, keep working hard, keep practicing, and very soon you are going to be one of the best